6 million ways to die, choose one.
Yeah. Right back in. Southside.
Some we ripping feelings up. Still don't give a fuck, fuck my enemies. Get squashed, collapse ceilings, New class, full pass, too fast. Look like I'm picking on them. You rich, you lie, crew laughs. You need a witness falling. Blow forget the coward switch this morning. Jumping out the window, paint the ground. Gangsta clip recording, take a bow. 38 styles, I wrote the shit that taught them. Fake smiles, vertebrae foul. Homie, the click important. You either sick or snorting. I'm the smoothest, slickest, Jews ridiculous, coolest public figure talking. My homie got his handle up between the crack valves. Now we hooked the Hennessy and hold the Mac wild. You supposed to be rhyming, bro? Old photographer, your buzz got a silencer. Release the challenges, I rallied out the bottom problem since I heard this album. Try to spearhead the asylum, need my commas and columns. RIP the gangsters watching my latest project like two razors chopping. Solo army, muzzle names popping, helicopter clip stunts. Vanilla cop with big blunts. Through Dubai 22 times, they took a pick once. Though you been at it 6 months, your audio's the cordiest. Your boy a school of mortar auditoriums, warriors, victorious, they call me this. Your future's imminent, them cloudy diamonds on your wrist. You got rewind a Harley miss, I can't stand a hater. You mad I made a stack couch, got diesel like I'm juicing. Haze like a frat house, 3 days I be back out. These days you can't slack off, replays when I track hunt. So DJs bring it back, ready on my next necklace. I'm dripping wet Texas every time I pick up the phone. The intellect stretches, the internet threats pitch. Better remove your name when I'm at the booth is caving. I'm turning suit to singing, $1 million view complaining. You got too used to hanging 100 miles an hour to cash. Just ain't the truth of flaming, losing out on heroin. You're drunk and get the last batch. Nigga, this is Bloodsport, punches with the glass rack. You ain't get the memo, probably not elite. Time to bomb the street, red alarm the week. Better y'all and me, nigga.
Suicide, that's a suicide.